Okay folks, today we're going to be talking about wheel cleaning. Went to Walmart today for some wheel cleaner. Actually never tried these two products, so decided to do a wheel comparison. Auto Drive all-wheel tire and cleaner. These are supposed to be cleaners that you basically don't have to agitate, spray on, rinse off. And we have the Black Magic no scrub all-wheel cleaner. And we're just going to compare the two. I'm going to put spray half on one wheel, half on the other. Never mind this HD speed. Just finished using that on a black car. Worked out pretty good. All-in-one product. If you don't want to do a full paint correction, then the HD speed should be your go-to. Turned out pretty awesome. And it has a wax in it, but you might want to put a sealant on top of it, make it last longer. Okay, now back to my car, which we have pretty filthy wheels, black wheels. Can't really keep them clean. Let you guys see all the dirt. Yeah, so I'm going to spray one wheel. Well, let's test on both wheels. It's going to be 50-50. Okay. On the right side, I'm going to use the Black Magic. On the left side, going to use this Auto Drive. Pick these both up at Walmart. Walmart actually sell chemical guys now. Not sure when that started, but they sell chemical guys. Okay, this seems a little more runny than the other solution, but they both might actually be the same solution. I'm not sure. The smell doesn't really have a differentiating smell, so we're going to see how well it works. I'm going to let it sit for about a minute. Today I'm going to be using my power washer, pressure washer, Sun Joe 1450 PSI. Works pretty good. Actually just put this quick connect on here, so I don't always have to unscrew it and mess up the connection. But this works pretty good all in all. But the HD, back to the HD speed for a few. I used it with an orange pad. They say it's a correction glaze, but you know it's not. It's not going to really remove all of your scratches. I could have did a two-step on there, but it doesn't really matter. Now for my car, I wouldn't use this on my car personally because it's a glaze. But actually I got another video coming soon. The hood so far is ceramic coated. I gotta pick a day, maybe one day this week or next week. I get to the rest of the car, fully corrected the paint on the hood, and put the ceramic coating on, which is I use Sonax C633, I believe. Oh, just be on the lookout for that video. But overall, I'm probably not even gonna wash this car today. It's not that filthy, so give it a few days. But I washed that car, ceramic, HD speed, the whole car, and it didn't take a long time. Like you would think, when you think of buffing your car, you would think it's going to take a long time, but it didn't. This hood is going to need repainting. I might actually do a two-step on this hood because you can still see a lot of the scratches. So I even might get the hood repainted or do a two-step, but it definitely needs repainting. As you can see, paint, it's all chipped up. But the rest of the car came out awesome. I can't really complain, especially for 16 bucks. Used my Harbor Freight polisher. dual action polisher, and it came out awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna rinse the wheel off, and we're gonna see how clean it comes. Actually, I need to spray some more. That's holding up kind of well, but we're gonna see. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna let it air dry, because I don't wanna put the cloth on it, all the soap, all the dirt didn't come off, so we're gonna see how it do just like this. Take it up close look. On the surface, seems okay, but if you look inside, you can definitely tell that Neva cleaner kind of worked better than the other. The surface seems fine. You see a little dirt in there. You see, got the dirt off. Most of the dirt off on the outside. The inside didn't do too well, so let's try again. Actually, the Black Magic might have done a little better. See how this auto drive just look a little more runny. Let it sit another minute. You guys tell that it's coated? Yeah, see the difference. tell the water don't want to stick to it. It's gonna make it very easy to clean once I coat the rest of the car. Now, I guess if I was to follow the directions and actually take a clean rag and wipe these wheels, which are still dirty, I guess in theory they will be clean. But then you risk scratching your wheels, getting your towel extra dirty, because this, I guess you could say, they will work well if you agitated them, which it says don't do. But if you do it, it will work well. I actually want to try the Poor Boys Wheel Cleaner, which I saved from lots of reviews on YouTube, that one actually works the best that I have seen. So I'm going to be ordering that maybe this week sometime, and then I can try that out. But as far as these, I would say the Black Magic works a little better, but they both are not, they don't do what they say they should do, especially not for the inside of the wheel. You see, look at that, still dirt, and that's the auto drive. I don't really see any dirt. Well, there you go. You have some in there with the Black Magic. But let's see. Let's spray the Black Magic on this side. And see what we can get. Spray the whole wheel with Black Magic. Like I said, you never know. It might be the same exact product. It might not be much of a difference. Actually, this is branded by Walmart stores. I didn't know that. This is Auto Drive, so I guess this is a Walmart brand. And you know, Black Magic. But it's interesting that Chemical Guys is now in Walmart. So if you guys want to go pick up some Chemical Guys product and don't want to pay for shipment off the website, go ahead to Walmart, get you some Chemical Guys. They don't have every product, but they have a good plenty, especially interior products. Yeah, I seen leather cleaner and such things like that. Let's give it one more hose down. The best thing about having open wheels, easy to clean, you can get inside, versus if you have closed wheels, the inside is just going to get dirty, unless you periodically take them off and clean them, which I'm going to actually probably do these. I'm going to ceramic coat these wheels so to make it much easier to clean, and it'll stay clean for much longer, because black is just not the best for wheels, especially with all the brake dust. But overall, I think these will work well if you agitate them. So, there you have it, guys. Have a good day.